Plant kingdom. In the previous chapter, we looked at the broad classification of living organisms under systems proposed by Whitaker 1969, wherein he suggested five kingdom classification viz. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. In this chapter, we will deal in detail with further classification within kingdom Plantae, popularly known as the plant kingdom. We must stress here that our understanding of the plant kingdom has changed over time. Fungi and members of the Monera and Protista having cell walls have now been excluded from Plantae, though earlier classification put them in the same kingdom. So the cyanobacteria that are also referred to as blue-green algae are not algae anymore. In this chapter, we will describe Plantae under algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Let us also look at classification within angiosperms to understand some of the concerns that influence the classification system. The earlier system of classification used only gross superficial morphological characters such as habit, color, number, and shape of leaves, etc. They were based mainly on vegetative characters or on the Androecium structure system given by Linnaeus. Such systems were artificial, they separated the closely related species since they were based on a few characters. Also, the artificial system gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics. This is not acceptable since we know that often the vegetative characters are more easily affected by environment. As against this, natural classification system developed which were based on natural affinities among the organisms and consider not only the external features but also internal features like ultrastructure, anatomy, embryology, and phytochemistry. Such a classification for flowering plants was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. At present, phylogenetic classification systems based on evolutionary relationships between the various organisms are acceptable. This assumes that organisms belonging to the same taxa have a common ancestor. We now use information from many other sources too to help resolve difficulties in classification. These become more important when there is no supporting fossil evidence. Numerical taxonomy, which is now easily carried out using computers, is based on all observable characteristics. Number and codes are assigned to all the characters and the data are then processed. In this way, characters is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered. Cytotaxonomy is based on cytological information like chromosome number, structure, behavior and chemotaxonomy that uses the chemical constituent of plants to resolve confusions and also used by taxonomists these days. 3.1 Algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple thalloid, autotrophic, and largely aquatic, both freshwater and marine water organisms. They occur in a variety of other habitats, moist stone, soil, wood. Some of them also occur in association with fungi, lichen, and animals, example on sloth bear. The form and size of algae is highly variable. The size ranges from microscopic unicellular forms like Chlamydomonas to colonial forms like volvox and to the filamentous forms like Urothrix and Spirogyra. A few of the marine forms such as scalps form massive plant bodies. The algae reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. The vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Each fragment develops into a thallus. Asexual reproduction is by production of different types of spores, the most common being zoospore. They are flagellated, motile, and on germination give rise to new plants. Sexual reproduction takes place through fusion of two gametes. These gametes can be flagellated and similar in size as in Chlamydomonas, or non-flagellated, non-motile but similar in size as in Spirogyra. Such reproduction is called isogamous. Fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size, as in some species of Chlamydomonas, is termed anisogamous. Fusion between one large, non-motile, static female gamete and a small, motile male gamete is termed oogamous. Example, Volvox and Fucus. Algae are useful to man in a variety of ways. At least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on Earth is carried out by algae through photosynthesis. Being photosynthetic, they increase the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. They are of paramount importance as primary producers of energy rich compound which forms the basis of the food cycles of all aquatic animals. Many species of Porphyra, Laminaria, and Sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large amount of hydrocolloids which are water holding substances. Example algin which is a brown algae and carrageen which is a red algae are used commercially. Agar, one of the commercial products obtained from Gelidium and Glaciolaria, are used to grow microbes in a and in preparation of ice creams and jellies. I repeat, agar, one of the commercial products obtained from Gelidium and Glaciaria, are used to grow microbes and in preparation of ice cream and jellies. Chlorella and spirulina are unicellular algae rich in proteins and are used as food supplements even by space travelers. The algae are divided into three main classes: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, and rhodophyceae. 3.1.1 Chlorophyceae. The members of Chlorophyceae are commonly called green algae. The plant body may be unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. They are usually grass green due to dominance of pigments chlorophyll A and B. The pigments are localized in different chloroplasts. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, or ribbon-shaped in different species. Most of the members have one or more storage bodies called paranoids located in the chloroplast. Paranoids contain protein besides starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplets. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. Vegetative reproduction usually takes place by fragmentation or by formation of different type of spores. Asexual reproduction is by flagellated zoospore produced in zoosporangia. The sexual reproduction shows considerable variation in the type and formation of sex cells, and it may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Some commonly found green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Urothrix, Pyrogyra, and Chara. 3.1.2 Phaeophyceae. The members of Phaeophyceae or brown algae are found primarily in marine habitats. They show great variation in size and form. They range from simple branched form ectocarpus to a profusely branched forms as represented by kelps, which may reach a height of 100 meters. They possess chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. They vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the amount of xanthophylл pigment fucoxanthin present in them. The food stored is as complex carbohydrates which may be in the form of laminarine or mannitol. The vegetative cells have cellulosic wall usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of algin. The protoplast contains, in addition to plastids, a centrally located vacuole and nucleus. The plant body is usually attached to substratum by a holdfast and has a stalk, the stipe, and the leaf-like photosynthetic organ, the frond. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in most brown algae is by biflagellate zoospore that are pear-shaped and have two unequal laterally attached flagella. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within the oogonium, oogamous species. The gametes are pyriform, pear-shaped, and bear two laterally attached flagella. The common forms are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, and Fucus. Rhodophyceae are 3.1.3 Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyta are commonly called red algae because of the predominance of red pigment R-phycoerythrin in their body. Majority of red algae are marine with greater concentration found in warmer areas. They occur in both well-lighted regions close to the surface of water and also at great depths in oceans where relatively little light penetrates. The red thalli of most red algae are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organization. The food is stored as Floridian starch, which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. The red algae usually reproduces vegetatively by fragmentation. They reproduce asexually by non-motile spores and sexually by non-motile gametes. Sexual reproduction is oogamous and accompanied by a complex post-fertilization developments. The common members are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Glaciolaria, and Gelidium. Division of algae and their main characters. Class Chlorophyceae, common name green algae, major pigment chlorophyll A and B. Chlorophyceae has stored food as starch. It has cell wall cellulosic, flagellar number and position of insertion 2, 8 equal apical. Chlorophyceae habitat fresh water, blackish water and salt water. Phaeophyceae, commonly called as brown algae, has major pigments as chlorophyll A, C, fucoxanthin and stored food as mannitol and laminarin, and its cell wall is cellulose and algin. Flagellal number and position of insertion 2 unequal lateral, and habitat fresh water, rare, blackish water, salt water. Class Rhodophyceae, commonly named red algae, has major pigments chlorophyll A, D, phycoerythrin. It has stored food as Floridian starch. Cell wall is cellulose. Flagellar number, position and position of insertion absent. Rhodophyceae habitat fresh water some, blackish water, salt water most.